Alright guys, let's start off here with the bonus. 250 bets, 5-cent denom. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, 6 games, 200 added. We have a good chance to get one big hit here. Hopefully we get a re-trigger. Come on, full screen. Wow. Just needed that 4th screen there. A really big win. Okay. Come on, fill us up. Come on, big win. Fill it all up. Oh, that would have been huge, guys, if we get a full screen there with the pyramids. That was the biggest pay. Alright, awesome. Awesome. This will be a nice hit here. Alright, that's a good hit. Let's see what we got here. Wow, that was a great bonus. $225 bonus. 6 spins, that's awesome. Almost 100 times our bet. That was great. Come on, get there. Let's find these orbs. Okay, let's switch it up to 2-cent denom here. Get some playing money. Come on, one more. Let's try to keep that $500. Give us a nice $400 profit on this machine. Find a bonus, get some playing money here. Let's go back to nickels. 250 bet. Alright, there's a good little hit for us. Give us a little bit of playing money. Alright, $54, not a bad line hit. Come on, find him. There's a progressive, 635 on the major, 13,000 on the grand. That would be a beautiful day. Hit that grand. Again, if there's any games you guys want to see me play, your favorites, just go ahead and post them below and we'll get to them all. Today we're here at Harrah's in Southern California. This is one of the few casinos I never have a problem filming in. Let's try a few spins at 10 cents. go. Let's find the bonuses. Come on, 2 more. It's 2 cents. Come on, let's find it. Get a little playing money here. Come on. Oh, that's 2 $100 balls there. Would have been nice to get a 6 of those guys. Come on. Let's go. Let's find a bonus. Alright, let's finish it off here. 25, 5 cents, 250 bets. We have that 500 floor. We're going to take our profit there. So hopefully, let's see if we can get some playing money and hit something big here. Alright, let's do one $2 bet and we'll be done here. Let's see if we hit something. Nope, that's it, guys. We're going to go ahead and cash out $500, a $400 profit. It's always a good way to end the day. Like always, hope one of you hit the grand every day this year. Let's do it. Let's all get the grands. When you hit the grands, post them in the descriptions below. Good luck, everybody. Have a great day.